In this 2-minute Zoom tutorial for Toastmasters, you'll learn how to access and upload colored virtual backgrounds so you can signal to the speaker or evaluator when they are approaching their target time. Toastmasters International has created these new colored images as resources to be used in your Zoom meetings. You'll find a link to download these images in the descriptions below this video. Once you've downloaded them, here's how to upload them into Zoom. Join a Zoom meeting and go to the bottom left corner. Click on the arrow to the right of the stop video icon. In the pop-up window, go to Virtual Background. Here's where you would upload your colored images. If you're getting a warning that your computer doesn't support this feature, you can check the system requirements in the description below this video. Then during a speech that you are timing, make sure the virtual background pop-up window is open to change the backgrounds when appropriate as you're watching the time. When you explain your role at the beginning of the meeting, make sure you remind all members to pin your video so they can see your square as they are speaking. If you find this video useful, be sure to like it and please subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you get notified when new videos are released.